Welcome to VoltX videos. Check out our products and relevant content on our website. In this video, we will show the installation procedure of a BLDC hub motor onto a 26-inch wheel. This is a typical representation of a 26-inch wheel with 36 holes on the circumference and 18 holes each on the two sides of the hub. Start with a pair of spokes and at the hub insert one spoke at a time next to each other as shown. The other end of each spoke needs to be connected to the circumference as shown. This is a 5-cross lacing method. It means after inserting a spoke on the circumference, we skip 5 holes before inserting the next one. Take a second pair of spokes and continue inserting at the hub in the next set of holes. The other end of the spoke should be inserted as shown in the picture. Make sure 3 holes are skipped before inserting the second pair. Continue in this fashion one after another in the anti-clockwise direction until you complete all the holes on the hub side A. This would be pair 4 and pair 5. And finally pair 9. Side A is completed and now we turn the wheel over to side B. Similar to how it was done for side A, we follow the same lacing method for side B. This now completes the full installation of the hub motor. However, after installing the spokes, the wheels will require proper truing before use. Thank you for watching our videos. Please visit us again as we continue to add more and more interesting videos.